Welcome to Lesson 1 of Arduino Projects Made Easy, a video series in which we're going to harness the power of Arduino, learning and growing together, from creating simple projects to building complex machines. Today we're starting with something simple and creating an automated circuit that blinks an LED. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Prashant and welcome to Tech Scene ZA. If this is your first time here and you're interested in consumer tech, creative builds, product reviews, as well as home networking guides, you can start by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to get notified every time we post new content. If you have no clue what Arduino is, as well as what it is capable of, may I suggest that you start with the pilot episode of this series in which we explain what Arduino is as well as what it can be used for. And that video can be found linked up there in the YouTube cards. And also, if you'd like to follow me along with this build, this kit was purchased from Banggood, and I've managed to hook you up with a discount. So there's a link in the description below, and that link will get you 200 Rand off. So if you click that link, it'll take you to Banggood and it'll show you the Arduino kit for 300 Rand. So make sure you make use of that link before it expires. First of all, what are we going to be using for this build? And all the things I'm going to mention is actually included in the Arduino kit from Banggood, right? So the first thing we're going to need is LEDs. Alright, so let's keep that there. We're going to need 220 or 330 ohm resistors. We're going to be needing jumper cable. Oh, okay, I have a few jumper cables. We're going to be needing our breadboard. Alright, so you might be wondering what is this breadboard? So a breadboard is a way for you to test electronics without soldering them or having them on a PCB board. We're going to be needing a switch, and we're going to be needing our Arduino Uno connected up to a laptop, right, with USB D cable. Right, so let's get on to building it. There is going to be a schematic shown in the video. So I'm just going to set this up, and then you'll be seeing a schematic, and that's how you should set up yours. Right. Right, so what it is, our negative terminal, our ground, is coming out of our Arduino and is connected to the negative pathway on the breadboard. So that's running down, and from the negative it passes through our resistor and then goes to our LED, and then the positive terminal comes straight from one of our digital output pins. Right, so now let's look at the code. So the code that we're looking at, so as you can see, I have comments there. So the first part is declaring the LED. The value has to be the pin location. So my LED, the value of my pin is actually pin number 2. So LED 1 equals pin 2. And then output, pin mode LED 1 equals output. So it's telling the Arduino that pin 1 is an output, which is the LED 1, which is declared above that. So the next part is what actually runs. So we have a loop function. So it's going to turn the LED on, which sets the voltage to high. It's going to wait 1 second and then turn the voltage to low. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload this code to our Arduino. And what we can do is actually adjust the time on the delay and make the LED stay on for longer. So you can manipulate the code and do different things. So what I'm going to do is actually increase this. So now I'm going to add 2 more LEDs and we're going to do like a designer blink. Now we have increased the LEDs and the code is the same, just that now we've declared 3 LEDs and the pin locations are 2, 3 and 4, and then initializes digital pin LED 1 as output and LED 2 as output and LED 3 as output as well. So now what we can do is manipulate the code to make it dance in a certain fashion. So look at what it's going to do now. Okay, so now this is up, down, up, down. So now as you can see, the LEDs are coming this way and going down. Now watch what it does. This form of LED is actually called running light. So it's like basically chasing after each other. So there's many different ways you can design. You can add more LEDs and make them like a design and stuff, but that's up to you. And as I said, this code is available to you to download in a link in the description. So check it out. You don't have to actually copy and paste. The code is available to you. So that's the good thing about Arduino. The code is open source, so it's available to everyone. Right, and you can change it and manipulate it to whatever way you'd like to use it. Right, so this code that I'm using right now can be found in the description below. And that brings us to the end. So if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. And getting subscribed if you're unsubscribed already, turning on post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Guys, thanks for watching. My name is Prashant, and I'll see you same time, same place, next week.